think one of the best things for us is that students get into the classroom sooner than most colleges, partly because we want them to experience the space. And if this is really what you want to do, you'll know it sooner.
Our programs are very explicitly scheduled and programmed so that students know where they are in the program, and they can look at the courses that they want to take. They can look at their whole four-year plan and kind of think about if they want to do study abroad or they want to do certain things extracurricularly. We can flex and work with them individually to make the best of their academic experience here at Monmouth College.
I'm in other extracurricular things, and they're very understanding of my schedule and things that I need to get done. So it's really nice to have people like behind me and checking on me always. So I feel like I'm allowed to fail if I happen to do that, because I know they'll pick me back up.
It's cool to watch them use their teaching methods as they teach. So like they'll be teaching us about certain methods, and at the end of the class you'll look back and be like, okay, they're actually using those methods as they're teaching.
We have an additional program called Tartans, where students can be in that for up to 3 years and be stipend for working with all kinds of students in the districts around us, and just really learn more about what it would be like to be a teacher in a rural space.
Most of the students want to get in there and get their hands dirty and roll up their sleeves, and the teachers are willing to let them do that and help provide that guidance along the way, but they recognize our students are ready to get in and get active versus just taking a back seat. And the content knowledge they're coming in with is very different than other colleges.
I think the close connection and the fact that you can ask questions and not feel afraid to ask certain questions, because the professors are just amazing at their jobs and help really provide you with the sort of knowledge you need to shape the future of students.